Researchers at the Trevor Nichols Research Complex in Fennville are evaluating different fungicides, including biological agents, reduced risk products, and safer chemicals in an effort to control fungal diseases on grapes.
Our goal is to test the fungicides for their protective activity. We apply them several times during the season or at times that we know that are critical to see how efficacious they are, and also we're particularly interested in the safer compounds as well as biological control agents, which are organisms that we use to fight the pathogens. We really want to know how well they protect the vines from infection.
The other aspect being studied is the timing of fungicides, to optimize the timing in order to reduce the number of applications and control the timing of applications during bloom and post-bloom periods. This research is great for grape growers.
Growers would have a hard time testing a number of different compounds that we test. They may not even be able to test some of these products because they're experimental, so you can't apply them on a large scale. And the other thing that is important to do is to have a control and to have it replicated so that we can draw some inferences and do statistics to be sure that the differences are real on these compounds. So we do a lot of preliminary testing, and then if products are promising and they get registered and get a proper label, then growers can test them on their farms.
One disease being battled is black rot.
These are the first signs of the disease that you see in the season, and spores of the fungus that are in these lesions will get onto the fruit and infect them. So we usually tell growers to look for these kinds of lesions first, and if they have a lot of these, that means there's going to be a lot of disease pressure in the fruit.
Having a research facility like Trevor Nichols is important.
Trevor Nichols in particular is important because this is a station that emphasizes pests and integrated pest management. On some of the other stations, like the horticultural research stations, we are not allowed to really let pests and diseases go haywire. And so we really need to have a place where we can let these things develop without interfering too much with other experiments and research.